If you want to build a paperless agreement workflow, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to get rid of paper-based agreements once and for all, and I'll share a software with a free trial exclusive to my viewers so you can follow along as we go. Let's get into it. The first step in building a paperless agreement workflow is choosing the right software. You need something that streamlines the process from start to finish. Something that lets you create, send, sign and store contracts all in one place. There are plenty of options, but after testing out all the most popular software, I've found one that stands out for being user-friendly, secure and versatile. We'll be using this software to automate the process. Once you've got your software set up, the next step is creating your templates. Instead of drafting agreements from scratch every time, use the software's template feature. Create a contract or agreement that fits your needs, and you can reuse it over and over. This saves time and ensures consistency across all your documents. It's simple to customize, and once you're set, you can just plug in the details for each new agreement. Now, let's talk about automation. This is the key to a truly paperless workflow. Set up automated reminders and follow-ups. For example, once you send an agreement for signature, you can schedule automatic reminders to go out to the other party if they haven't signed within a certain time frame. This removes the need to manually chase people for signatures. Your workflow will keep moving smoothly without you having to lift a finger. Next, you'll want to integrate your paperless agreement process with other tools you're already using. For instance, if you're managing client data or sales processes in a CRM, make sure your agreement software syncs with it. This creates a seamless experience and ensures that your paperwork is tied to the correct account or project. This integration step is crucial for scaling and ensuring everything stays organized. Once everything is signed and complete, it's time to store your agreement securely. The software we're using automatically stores all signed contracts in the cloud, making it easy to access, organize, and search for documents when you need them. Plus, with encryption and other security features, your sensitive data stays safe. One of the biggest advantages of a paperless workflow is that everything is trackable. With the software, you'll have a clear audit trail for every agreement. You can track who viewed the document, when they signed it, and if there were any changes. This transparency is great for accountability, especially if you're managing multiple contracts at once. As a quick recap, choose the right software, create templates, set up automation, integrate with your existing tools, and securely store your agreements. All of these steps work together to eliminate the hassle of paper-based workflows, saving you time and reducing mistakes. Before we finish, let me remind you about the exclusive free trial in the description below. If you want to follow along and set up your own paperless agreement workflow, this is the best way to get started. Key takeaway: the key to building a successful paperless agreement workflow is automation. By automating as much of the process as possible, you eliminate manual work, reduce errors, and create a much more efficient system. Thanks for watching, and remember to grab your free trial from the link in the description.